Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make close friends on Instagram. First of all, and of course, you'll need an Instagram application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go download it through Play Store if you have an Android or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then, all you need to do, just go and click at sign in to create your account. If you do have an account, all you need to do, just go and log in, and let's get straight to it. So first of all, if we want to create a list of close friends, so let's say for example you have a lot of followers here, or you're following a lot of people as well, and maybe you're posting a story and you don't want everyone to see them because maybe your account is not private, your account is public and a lot of people is following you. Maybe you are famous, you want just a lot of people or your closest friends to see your story or whatever you want. So all you need to do, just go and create your close friends list. So how can you do that? It's simply by go and click at your bottom right corner at your profile picture. After doing that, you will go here to your profile. Then all you need to do, just look at the top right corner, then click at the three lines. Now, as you can see, after we click on the three lines here, we have here an option called close friends. So if I click on that, they will ask me to add whatever close friend I want. So let's say for example, I will just add random people here, just some accounts that I know. Maybe add this one and add maybe, oh, this is my account, wait, maybe just add famous people, like just to show you. So maybe this will be my close friends. If I go back here, if I click on done and go back at the close friends, as you can see here, I have two people on my close friends. So let's say for example I want to post a story, just go here and, or maybe here, just click on the plus icon, then let's just create maybe a story, and let's just choose a random picture again. As you can see here, we have an option called close friends. So if I click on this close friends, the story will be posted, but as you can see, there is a green circle around the story. So if I click on the story, I have this green star at the top right corner. So who can see my story here? Who can see my story? It just, wait, the story couldn't upload, but this is not a problem for us. Just click at try again. Sorry, I had an interruption. So as we said, if you posted your story here at your closest friend, as you can see, we have a green circle, not circle, a green star on the top right corner. So who can see my story here? It's just my closest friends who I add on my close friends list. So for example, as in this profile, who can see my story, it'll just go to closest friends, so it's two people here. And if you want to clear your close friends, all you can do, if you want to clear them all, just click at clear all. If you want to remove just one, just click on if you want to clear all, just click at clear all and then click done. So that's how you make a close friends list. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.